Hello everyone. So I have 3D printed parts in here. So this is a 3D printed grip. So made for GBB or gas blowback. But this is what I'm gonna use for my PCP build. So you can see it has very thick walls. Okay. And this one is a 3D printed gauge cover made for this. So it protects the glass from scratches. This is how it will look if you place it in gauge. And this one is a 3D printed buttstock. Okay. I prepare this although you need a tool. Every time you adjust it, you use a tool to loosen these bolts and then you can adjust the length. But this is much better because it doesn't have a play. So it won't shake.